Hello, this is Sandy Harris with Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort, and I want to show you lot 50, which is for sale now. We are showing this lot and cabin. I'm going to turn around and show you the concrete and how the lot looks. Every lot here at the resort has AT&T all-fiber UVerse capability, full hookup with lighted pedestal. It has a 10 by 50 RV pad. It also has the patio in the driveway. And then it's finished out with sod. And then AT&T all-fiber UVerse capability is built into every lot. They all have underground utilities, sewer system throughout the resort. So this cabin has a large screened-in porch area, which would be great for your outdoor furniture and for entertaining family and friends, fall, summer, and spring. This material here that's outside and in this room here is called SmartLap by Louisiana Pacific. It has a 50-year warranty. You're never supposed to paint it. So this has a kitchen area and a little sitting area attached. We have the granite countertops, nice side-by-side refrigerator, range, microwave, and then there's a sleeping loft. And no, this is not your primary sleeping. This is for when the kids and the grandkids come over. And then there's some extra storage here in the stairs, which is really nice. There, and there's some extra cabinets here. And then we've got a place for your washer and dryer. No, this cabin does not include a washer and dryer. There's your shower. Then there's extra cabinets in here in the restroom. Very nicely done. And going back through here, there's your little sitting area off the kitchen. Be great for a little kitchen table or some lounging furniture. And then here's a little room off the kitchen. It's really cute. You could use this for an office or a bedroom. So it has a little barn door. And then going off the bedroom, there is a covered deck, which is a pretty good size. It's great for cooking, entertaining, family and friends. This is really cute. Nice little view from here. What a pretty day it's been. The resort is located in North Alabama between Birmingham and Huntsville. We're at 800 County Road 202. That's Crane Hill. We're about 1.5 miles from Trident Marina, which is really nice because you could store your boat there and they put it up for you. They'll winterize it and keep it for you year-round. All amenities are included with your lot purchase. The resort is all along Smith Lake. There is a private boat launch here and boat slips. We have saltwater pools. We have outdoor games, including pickleball, stocked fishing ponds, just something to do for everyone. So if you think you'd like a family getaway, give me a call at 256-636-1539 to see lot 50 or all the other lots we have available. We've opened phase 3 this past year, and there are new lots available if you'd rather just get a lot and start fresh. You can give me a call at 256-636-1539. My name is Sandy Harris. You can visit us on the web at www.smithlakervresort.com. See you soon.